So the next song I'm about to do is called I'm Gonna Shoot, which by the way was the first version of Blisters before the Blisters that you guys heard on Strings and Bling, track number 1. Yeah, man. This just goes to show you how much songs change before you guys hear 'em. But here we go. I was talking to God like I was talking to my bro. He said I gave you what you need to release your inner glow. I don't know if it was fear, but I started feeling cold. Then I pushed myself to do it. Then I found myself some gold. Hold on. I'm gonna shoot, 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 I'm gonna shoot for the moon, for the moon. I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot. You bitch, you. I be damned if I don't toast. I'll be honest, I've been modest, but I be damned if I don't boast. I told a lie when I left home. I said I'd be back before you know, but instead I slept on sofas till I became a property owner. What's the move? What's the mood? Tearing up this hotel room, make you sick, I make you puke. Kiss my ass and get well soon. In 206 her tune shit. Took my life then juiced it. I fucked my fake friend's girlfriend. You shouldn't have introduced me, cause I was new to coochie, so I wasn't choosy. Judge me, hate me, sue me. You know that shit don't move me. You touch me once, that's fluke. You touch me twice, that's fucking huge, my dude. You know I talk that naked truth, I talk that every cop I do. I was talking to God like I was talking to my bro. He said I gave you what you need to release your, you know the words, nigga. I don't know if it was fear, but I started feeling cold. Then I pushed myself to do it. And I found myself some gold. Bitch, I'm gonna shoot, 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 I'm gonna shoot. I should have some more reverb on this beat. I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna shoot. Hey, I'm gonna shoot, 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 I'm gonna shoot. Hey, for the moon, I'm gonna shoot for the moon. I'm gonna shoot, bitch.